How many of you are here love editing or designing? Type it down me in the chat box. Yes, Kushbu, Sophia, Anwing Chan. Amazing. Thank you so much. So, how many of you are here struggling with the problem of no direction, no clarity in your life? Type it down me in the chat box. Yeah, Nitamni ji, Kushbu ji, Sneha Reddy. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Happy evening, everyone. My name is Gautami. I am from Jagatyal, Telangana. I'm a graduate and passionate orator and trainer. So I'm a diamond member at CI. I thank each and everyone for showing up here and also attending to this session. And I thank Kirtan sir and CI community for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present here. So guys, is it okay if I share my story with all of you? Type it down me in the chat box. Yeah, thank you so much for your permission. So how was me before CI? Let's see. So the problems I face, first one is there is no direction, lot of distractions in my life. So I was going through, like, there is no direction, right? So I was going through a lot of experiments, like not knowing what to do. First one, yeah, study. Next, I love drawing. So I don't know whether it's my hobby or something, but I love drawing. So when I was in my childhood, I was good at studies, but I don't have any practical knowledge. And then entered into my 11th and 12th. They're also like going with the flow. Then I entered into my degree. So there I realized I want to do something, but I don't have any skill what to do. So, but I was trying a lot of things like study, drawings, and yeah, I was also, so in my college there are sports. I also go through the tournaments. So whatever is coming in front of me, I'm going through that, just going with the flow, not knowing what to do, but I want to do something. Then I love photography. So photography and editing. So let's discuss this in the next point. And also I learned music in my, like, in 2021 or like that, but now I forgot. Also learned piano, but not asking help to anyone, and even tried farming. Yeah. So I, before coming into CI, I also bought a web development course, and that also got a waste of money. And also before, I used to come forward to speak on the stages, even though my English was not good. I used to come forward, but what the main problem in me was, so there is a trainer you can see beside me, right? So that was a 5 days workshop. So with his motivational words and inspiring words, I came forward and spoke in my college. That's only 5 days, right? After completion of this training, and after 2 to 3 days, again that motivation fades away. I was not coming forward. I was thinking what other people think of me. What if I do mistake, people laugh at me, right? So then I realized I need a mentor who guide me every day. So then before CI, I have no clarity, no direction, nothing. And next, no consistency. I was a dabbler, not a champion at that time. Then I have little knowledge about designing. So I already said that I love editing, right? I use the tools, like not pro editing tools. I used to edit the pictures. Like when I was in my childhood, I used to take the mobiles of my father or else uncle, like that. Then I used to edit the pictures. So I use this app, PixArt and Snapseed, InShot, LR. I used to use these apps. I don't know, pro editing apps. And then I also have a Instagram page. So I was not asking anything, just I'm doing myself everything. So this is a blunder mistake I did in my life. So that was the logo I designed by myself, and the photography. I took the photography in just Android mobile. I used to edit with the help of these apps. Not only these apps, I used to experiment, like install the app and uninstall from the Play Store. So I was like this before CI. And guys, now do you want to know about me? What is after CI? Type it down yes in the chat box. Yeah, thank you so much. So I felt like getting the right direction after joining in the CI. So here I came to know about Canva. Before, I don't know that. Then Photoshop. Yeah, about this Photoshop, I realized one story. What was that means? In my childhood, I used to think, so first of all, I saw this Photoshop in the photo studio, and I used to think that Photoshop is for only the people who have the photo studio, not for everyone. But now I'm using that Photoshop. So then Illustrator. I don't even know that Illustrator tool is existed until I learned this skill. But now I fell in love with that tool Illustrator. And then I designed a lot of logos. So here are some logos from my logos gallery. And then I'm increased my personal brand. For that videos, I'm creating the thumbnails for myself, and also LinkedIn banner and the cover pages for Instagram, Listicle, everything. So yeah, this is the cover page for my ebook designed by myself. So then Also doing the posters, my business card and brochure, infographic. So here is a Pikachu. This one I did by using Illustrator app. So guys, do you love Pikachu? I love Pikachu so much. So type it down love in this chat box. Yeah. Sofyan, Kushpuji, Farhin, Nazia. Awesome. Thank you so much, guys. Also done flow charts and standees. Then I also designed mock-up for my course. Then in this scale, we have one project called as Create Your Own Masterclass PPT. Yes, I done this masterclass. So when I was doing this PPT, so my thought process was like, I am doing this project, but this project should benefit me in the long run, not only for the project. Okay, so I spent a lot of time while doing this project, but you know what happened? This is a masterclass PPT. After few days designing this PPT, I got the opportunity to train the students outside in our government school in our village. So there I used the same PPT, right? So while I got the opportunity, so I didn't struggle that much to create the PPT. So in the morning I went for the permission. So then in the afternoon I directly went with this PPT. PPT is ready, right? Directly went with the PPT and conducted 2 days training program in that school. And this is my profile, speaker profile. And I also done the AI images. So this is a lot of fun, giving pictures to the AI, and that is giving a very crazy pictures. So while I was doing this project, Jyoti ma'am and me done this. We had a lot of fun, a lot of crazy things. And what happened? Like how I did this before and after. What happened in the middle? So do you want to know about that, guys? Just type it down yes in the chat box. Yes. Thank you so much, guys. So joining in CI, when it happened? So first day in CI, that was in January 6th, 2025, where I joined in CI and completed my foundation journey. That is a 7 days journey called as CSMJ. There in our WhatsApp group, you can see CSMJ, right? That is what called Communication Success Mentorship Journey. That was I completed in 1 week. Then, so now, what is the main shift? How I did this, like no skill to now learning skills, no direction to now with the direction. So the main shift, the one thing, what is that? Is one decision, that is stepping up into next level journey. Yeah. So this is a step-by-step journey we follow in CI. So that is stepping up into the diamond. So from there, after entering into the diamond, I became Diamond Gautami. Yeah. So after entering into the diamond, then I got one-to-one with my mentor. So I had multiple one-to-one sessions with my mentor Kirtan sir. I really feel very blessed to have him as my mentor. Thank you so much Kirtan sir for being as my mentor. And yeah, so this is a skill. So when I had one-to-one with Kirtan sir, he said, learn this skill. He was giving the right direction and guidance. So the main thing, I joined in CI for mentorship. I really love mentorship here. And he told that learn design skill. Yes, I have completed 100%, and then I got the recognitions, completed over 20 projects and became design skill champion, and I also received my certificate and medal. So now in everything, like whatever you are going through in your life, whether it is low times or high times, we can learn lessons from every situation, right? So now let's see what lessons we can learn from this presentation. So how many of you are ready to learn lessons? Type it down, yell in the chat box. Yes, thank you so much for your responses, guys. I'm really loving your energy. So the first lesson is taking step-by-step journey instead of going with the flow. So before you saw me, you saw my before CI, right? I was going with the flow, whatever coming in front of me, I'm just going with the flow. But after joining in CI, I'm taking step-by-step journey. Then be hungry to learn, grow, and achieve. And next, ask for support. So if you don't ask, you don't get what you want, right? Before, I used to do everything by myself, even though they are very close, but I'm not used to ask any support. But now I'm asking support, taking the help of everyone. So these are the lessons I can learn, and also I can give to everyone from this presentation. Yeah, and thank you so much for listening to my story. Thank you so much.